Hi, I'm Neely Nathan. I have a TV show and a website, Great Healing Getaways, where I write, research, and report on holistic health. Today I'm showing you how to make some homemade facials right at home. It's easy, it's quick, it's inexpensive, it's good for your skin. You're going to love it. This next one is a cornmeal face scrub, which will moisturize and it'll also exfoliate because we're using cornmeal. So I have in a bowl a half a cup of plain yogurt, and I'm going to add to that a half a cup of cornmeal. Then I'm going to put in, well, first I think I'm going to mix this a little bit, just to get it going. Then I'm going to add my essential oils. 5 drops of lavender, pure essential oil. That smells so nice. Lavender is very relaxing. And then 5 drops of patchouli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And grapefruit. Oops. Just get my, here it is. 5 drops. 1, 2, 5. Mix it together. And then what I do is I refrigerate this for a couple of hours before I use it. So store it in your refrigerator. And it'll thicken up a little bit in the refrigerator. Here, I want to show you the texture of it. It's like that. I'll just show you a little bit now. But you do refrigerate it for a couple hours before you use it. That helps firm it up. And you use it as an exfoliating. Wow, I feel that on my skin. It's an exfoliating face scrub.